Welcome to Gratuity Calculator UAE, your trusted gratuity calculator for Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and every UAE free zone. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to use the UAE Gratuity Calculator to estimate your end-of-service benefits accurately under the UAE Labour Law. First, choose your regime. Select Mainland if you work onshore, or Free Zone if you're in zones like JAFZA or DMCC. For ADGM employees, pick Free Zone and tick ADGM. Next, enter your basic salary in AED, exclude housing and transport. Example: total pay 12,000 AED, basic 7,000 AED, then enter 7,000. The end-of-service calculator UAE converts it to a daily wage for accurate gratuity calculation. Now add your start and end dates in the format as mentioned. The online gratuity calculator automatically counts partial years and deducts unpaid leave if added in advanced options. Click Calculate Gratuity to view your result, basic salary, service duration, daily wage, and total gratuity. Also year-by-year breakdown and step-by-step calculation. You can see quick links under Next Steps. Open Advanced to adjust for part-time work, unpaid leave, or contract type. For example, basic salary 7,000 AED, service 2 years 8 months. Under a limited contract, gratuity almost equal to 13,500 AED. Under an unlimited contract with resignation less than 3 years, gratuity almost equal to 4,500 AED. Try it yourself at Gratuity Calculator UAE 4. You're fast, free, and for accurate gratuity calculation.